Hey everyone! If you want to capture cinematic visions, having a reliable camera is essential for creating content that audiences actually want to watch. Today, I'm reviewing the best video camera for filmmaking to help you figure out exactly what fits your needs. I'll cover 5 different camcorders that offer varying levels of resolution, digital zoom, and low-light features. Let's jump straight into the details so you can choose the perfect fit.
Product number 1. Canon XA60 Professional UHD 4K Camcorder, an incredibly reliable tool for serious documentarians and indie filmmakers. What makes this camera stand out is its integrated 20x optical zoom lens, meaning you don't have to carry multiple heavy lenses to get the perfect shot. It features a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures highly detailed 4K footage. When you're shooting handheld, the advanced 5-axis optical image stabilization keeps your video smooth and professional. It also provides 2 professional XLR audio inputs built into the detachable handle, allowing you to connect professional microphones directly to the camera for flawless sound. With dual SD card slots for instant backup recording and a highly responsive LCD touchscreen, the XA60 is a durable, professional workhorse that delivers beautiful, out-of-the-box color science for any run-and-gun filmmaking scenario.
Product number 2. Tixuo 8K Video Camera. Next up is the Tixuo 8K Video Camera, a highly compact and versatile camcorder designed for beginner filmmakers and active vloggers. This camera features a 64-megapixel sensor and captures impressive 8K ultra-high-definition video, ensuring your projects look incredibly sharp. One of its best features is the 18x digital zoom, which gives you the flexibility to film distant subjects clearly without losing much quality. Operating the camera is simple thanks to the highly responsive 3-inch touchscreen that rotates, allowing you to easily film yourself or grab low-angle cinematic shots. The Tixuo also comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, making it incredibly easy to transfer your files directly to your smartphone for quick editing on the go. Complete with an included external microphone for crisp audio recording and a remote control, it is a highly convenient, all-in-one package for creators seeking maximum resolution in a very portable design.
Product number 3. Flyfrost 8K Video Camera.
Coming in at number 3 is the Flyfrost 8K Video Camera, an excellent option for creators who want an abundance of accessories included right in the box. This device pushes the resolution even higher with an 88-megapixel sensor, delivering striking clarity for both your still photos and your 8K video files. A standout feature here is the integrated infrared night vision capability, allowing you to film continuously even when the sun goes down or you're working in dimly lit rooms. It includes an 18x digital zoom and a 3-inch rotatable touchscreen for easy framing. The Flyfrost provides an incredibly comprehensive starter kit, coming complete with a handheld stabilizer to reduce shaky footage, a lens hood to block unwanted glare, an external microphone, and dual batteries. It is a fantastic, fully loaded setup for anyone looking to jump straight into creative video production without buying extra gear.
Product number 4. MWIRB 8K Video Camera Camcorder, another highly capable device that delivers massive resolution for budget-conscious filmmakers. Like the Flyfrost, this camera utilizes an 88-megapixel image sensor to record highly detailed 8K video at 15 frames per second. It features built-in 6-axis anti-shake stabilization, which helps smooth out your movements when you are walking and filming simultaneously. The MWIRB is fantastic for content creators because it easily doubles as a high-quality webcam for professional live streams or online meetings when connected to your computer. It includes a smart night vision mode for dark environments and built-in Wi-Fi for seamless social sharing via its companion app. Arriving with a 32GB SD card, dual rechargeable batteries, and a remote control, this camcorder offers fantastic plug-and-play functionality for anyone wanting an ultra-high-definition camera that works perfectly for both traditional filming and live broadcasting. Product number 5. Yolner 8K 64-megapixel Video Camera. Rounding out our list is the Yolner 8K 64-megapixel video camera, providing a very straightforward and user-friendly filming experience. This camcorder offers a solid 64-megapixel resolution for photography and shoots crisp 8K video to keep your content looking highly modern. It features a bright 3-inch IPS touchscreen that rotates up to 270 degrees, which is perfect for framing complicated cinematic angles or shooting solo vlog content. The Yolner incorporates strong infrared night vision, letting you capture usable footage in near total darkness up to 10 feet away. It also supports Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to preview and download your clips directly to your mobile device using their custom application. Packaged with a 64GB high-speed SD card, 2 lithium batteries, and an external stereo microphone, this camera is a highly accessible, lightweight option for casual videographers and students exploring their creative filmmaking skills. Regarding price compatibility, the Tixeo, Flyfrost, MWIRB, and Yolner models are all fantastic, highly affordable entry points for new creators who want maximum resolution without spending thousands. They offer incredible value for the accessories provided. Meanwhile, the Canon XA60 commands a premium, professional price tag, but it fully justifies that cost with its optical zoom lens, XLR audio inputs, and superior low-light sensor performance.